Hi everybody, welcome back. Just trying to catch up. This will be a short one, but I've been doing some videos, just haven't posted them yet. In this one, just going to cover off putting in the panel into actual plane and using a strap duplicator to locate the holes that are required for mounting the side covers for the tunnel. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.
Decided it was about time to start mounting this up onto the plane to see how it's really going to look, and also understand kind of how the wiring really needs to run. You know, it's one thing to run it upside down, it's another thing once it's sitting upright. So I'm learning a fair bit about that, and you know, a lot of wires here I can bundle together. It'll make it easier. This is for the headsets for the front pilot and co-pilot, and then you can see the other things. Also, I've got this side piece on, and down here you'll see this is a device called a strap duplicator. And basically what it did is I found one of these holes on the inside. It's pinned against it, and now with a drill bit I'll drill through here and it'll be in a perfect alignment. And I'll do a couple of those on here, then I'll take it off and do the rest, just because it's easier to do it when it's not on the plane. But pretty slick little unit. So I'll do a couple on this side. That way it'll be level. Same on the other side, and go from there. And a little bit later, I'll bring you back and kind of show you how the panel looks in here. I don't have any battery hookup or anything, but I do have my backup battery. So it is possible to use it that way. But I'll bring you back. Cheers. Continuing right along. I did a couple of holes on each side while it was mounted in plane. And now I've taken it out, and you can see here's the strap duplicator. And all you do basically is put the drill bit in here and drill that hole out. Oh, sorry. In here and drill that hole out. But I figured it'd be easier to just finish it off on the bench, and that way you don't have to worry about it. Cheers. Okay, so here you go. This is what it actually looks like when it's not upside down. I've got this down here all done. All the holes are drilled, so that can just get bolted in. My PFD, my MFD, the radio goes up, well actually, I guess it's my intercom audio panel, G5. I'm not sure about this yet. I may put a switch in it, a key, mag left, right, I'm not positive. And then over there, I've got lots of space. And then of course, down here on the top, it's gonna be the 650. And down below is my autopilot. And yeah, slowly but surely, it's coming together. I am thinking though that in order to access the VPX, which is underneath there, that's going to be a problem. I know some people have cut holes up here to be able to get down and access it. Not sure yet if I'm going to do that, but I like the hassle-free. And then also up here, once I put the canopy on again to see where the window is actually going to sit, I've got to drill 2 holes for the vents. And now, you know, I'll probably do some cleanup of the wiring. I finally got notification that my finishing kit is going to be here by the end of June. Or well, actually, I guess it'll be created by the end of June, so we'll see when it gets here. And I've also learned a few things as I've done this. Over here, the switches, the knobs for the panel, nav, and cockpit lighting, they're a bit of a pain. So I'll end up putting a connector on them so it's easy to quickly just disconnect them. It makes it easier to take the panel out if you need to get at things, because this can come out, the PFD, pretty easy. Easy to get to the switches from here. In the back, you can see all of the avionics and electronics. So it's pretty easy to get to. So we'll see. And if I get a chance, I may power it up again, run it off the battery, back up. I can't run off the battery because it's not here, but maybe that'll give a good view of it. Cheers.